Hey guys, welcome back to the Fire Workshop. I just wanted to give you an update that this corona is very real and you're not going to be able to resist it at all. It's going to come up right up to you and you're just going to be like, oh my god, no. Yeah, good stuff. It's great. But yeah, speaking of the corona, I figured I could make a video for you guys to show you how to make your very own hand sanitizer and how to sanitize everything so you can keep the corona at bay, you know? So stay tuned and I'll show you how to keep it at bay. So, it's really basic how to make your own hand sanitizer. And you have to pardon the crudeness of this video because, well, my cameraman's going to be out for a couple of weeks. So all you need to make hand sanitizer is you got to get yourself some aloe vera and also some isopropyl alcohol. Now the ratio is 1 part aloe vera and 2 parts rubbing alcohol. Now luckily this is 8 ounces and this is 16 ounces. So literally all I have to do is just mix the two together. So check this out. So yeah, take the gel. It's a small hole, but you want to get it all out. So 8 ounces of gel. Mix up 16 ounces. Let's go up. Take that, open this up, just dump that all in. So once you get that all together, you want to go ahead and whisk it up. Careful. Takes a little bit. It's a little bit runnier than I thought it would be. But this is the recipe that I was told. 1 part gel, 2 parts rubbing alcohol. There you have, it's not quite jelly yet. This is how it is. That. Actually, I'm thinking it's got the same consistency. So here's the creation that we made, and it's kind of got that green little hue to it. Now we know now that this will kill 99.9% of germs. But the thing is, I don't like that. I think we need to be 100% certain that we have no coronavirus on any surface whatsoever. So everyone right now is buying a whole bunch of TP. You're thinking, why? What's it got to do? This is why. So what you want to do with the TP to sanitize your surfaces is you want to get that your own very own hand sanitizer. And you want to scrub the surfaces that you want clean. So once you get that all scrubbed down and good, you add a little bit more just to be extra safe. You're real good and scrubbed. Set that aside. I want to make sure I'm 100% certain there's no coronavirus on it. So what you do, you light it on fire. There. As you can see, we are now not going to have any coronavirus whatsoever underneath that surface. Take a nice wet rag, put it on top. It's out. Now, that surface is now 100% decontaminated. You don't have to worry about any kind of germs on there whatsoever. Alright, so there's a nice close-up view of what we're doing here. Take your TP, you're going to dip it in your homemade hand sanitizer. Get nice and wet. Scrub that surface. Make sure you got it all that you want. Right in there. Scrubbed up real good. Light it on fire. So when in doubt, add a little more hand sanitizer. See that? Then you light it on fire. There we go. Let that cook for a little bit. And when you're done, just put a white cloth over that. Now it's completely sterile now. Don't have to worry about any germs or viruses whatsoever 100% sterile. So yeah, that is how you make your very own hand sanitizer and sterilize the surfaces that you wish to be sterilized. So if you like what you see, comment below, go ahead and share. I'm doing my own little quarantine, make sure I'm not getting infected or spreading it to anyone else in case I have it and don't know it. So yeah, play it safe out there, guys.